Hai guys, jumpa lagi dengan saya di channel Inilah. Wah, ini ngomong belakangnya diri sendiri. Ini video tahun berapa ini? Kami lagi kerjain penggantian LED screen menggunakan alat ini. Nanti peragaannya ada Pandawi yang membantu saya untuk mengganti LED screen-nya itu. Ibu Dad dengan Ibu Will. Nah,
lay down and I play dead and I stay dead. Baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares. Standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. Got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test. I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares. Standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion, even though I offer all of the solutions. I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless, I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you.
kita lihat cara penggantinya sederhana. Jadi kalau Anda punya screen seperti ini, nggak usah khawatir kalau ada dot-dot yang mengganggu, bisa diganti spare partnya. Dan sangat mudah. Buktinya Pandawi dari MFC bisa mengganti sendiri. Ya, demikian guys informasi dari saya tentang penggantian LED screen di MFC. Semoga bermanfaat bagi Anda. Jika Anda suka dengan video ini, tekan like, share kepada Anda yang membutuhkan, dan jangan lupa subscribe channel ini agar Anda tidak ketinggalan informasi-informasi seputar lampu LED yang lainnya. Terima kasih, salam Inilah.